Here's the app called Polarsteps. Plan and track trips. Over 10 million explorers have chosen Polarsteps to plan, track, and relive their travels. This all-in-one travel app shows you the world's most enticing travel destination, gives you insider tips, and plots your routes, locations, and photos when the journey is underway. The result, a beautiful digital world map that is unique to you, as well as the chance to turn it all into a hardback travel book when you are done. Doesn't stop there, so you can plan, track, share, relieve. So quite interesting app. Um, you can see it here. Track your journey automatically in a beautiful way. 300 plus guides that reveal the best of the world. And then you have your photo album, travel stats, invite friends to follow your trip, get tips from travelers. So yeah. And then you can just go and create your account if you wanna. So then this is your account, and then you can just and then yeah, you can just finish up, and then yeah, you can give access to your contacts. You can invite friends, and that's the idea. Then you can see it here. You can see all the kind of guides and a lot of things. For example, traveling. So here's the guide. You can discard things. You can just open the guide and see all of the details, all of the things to do in that place. You can see activities. If you're following people, then you can see your account. You can add a trip. You want to plan a future trip, for example. Where are you going? So you can just select the country, name your trip, add a short summary. And then you can just start tracking, or you can just plan. Then you can just like add 3 nights there. Then you just add next destination. And for example, and something like that. And yeah, like that's the process where you can, and then you have in real time, you can see if you are traveling or not. Then so it's kind of like a nice, interesting app for travelers who can follow me, who can see my trips. You can select miles, temperature icon, and that's the idea.